Hi, Jason Keeler here on site in Prospect at this amazing build, $1.7 million, and today it is the slab. So many trucks. Look at this here. 1, 2. You want to be in? 2, 3, 4 down here. So all action going on. Putting the slab in on this amazing house in Prospect. A dream becoming a reality, and that's the exciting part about building a brand new home. Guys working away on site here today, really noisy as you can hear all the machinery around me, and look at the great job they're doing. Lots happening on site, as you can see. Noisy trucks, busy place to be today, and there's so many trucks coming in to finish this slab here. And then we've got the guys working in the back here, working hard. And another truck coming in. Already had, what have we had, about 6 or 7 trucks here delivering cement onto this amazing site here in Prospect.